All right, everybody, we're going to wrap up our 7 Rules of Life series here with number 7. Take care of your body and mind. One struggles to survive without the other. So, we've talked a lot about how to take care of your mind with some of the positive exercises and focusing on good things in your life and lots of other examples. But now we're going to focus on your body for a little bit. I'm going to steal a quote from Warren Buffett. And if you don't know who Warren Buffett is, he's a very, very, very wealthy, multi-billionaire person that lives in America. Anyways, he said, pick your favorite car, any car, whatever car that you would like, and you can have that car, but there's one catch. You only get one car for the rest of your life. How would you take care of it? Okay, and what he's referring to is your body. It's the same thing. You only get one body for your entire life, so take good care of it. Take as good of care of your body as you would a very, very awesome car that you loved, okay? So, life expectancy in America is almost 80 years old, which means most of you have more than 60 years, probably 65 years-ish left to live. That's a long time. Take care of your body now, and you'll be thankful later. So, few things here. On a daily basis, eat good things. Obviously, what you put into your body is very important. So eat right. Breakfast is very important. A lot of you skip breakfast, or a lot of you don't eat a very good breakfast. Something high in protein is best. Eggs, meat, things like that. That's what you really should be having. Fruits and veggies are okay, but stay away from sugary stuff. Sugar and caffeine is not good for you. Obviously, things like alcohol, drugs, cigarettes, vaping, those are all bad things as well. That's going to harm your body, and there will be long-term effects. So try and stay healthy by putting the right things in your body, eating good foods and staying away from those things that aren't healthy for you. Another thing, obviously, is exercise. And it doesn't have to be intense exercise. Some people think that exercise means you got to be, oh my gosh, sweat rolling off and exhausted. It doesn't have to be like that. Just going for a 15-minute walk or a little jog, some jumping jacks, some push-ups, things you can do in your own bedroom. Those are things that are better than nothing. Okay, so again, little changes every day add up to a big change over a long period of time, which we've already talked about as well. Another thing, more for your brain now. Read, exercise your brain. Okay, don't just watch TikTok and YouTube all day. Okay, do things that exercise your brain. There are some apps out there, not that I'm saying you have to be on an electronic device, but there are some apps that stretch your imagination. I know people are doing things like Wordle nowadays. That's good. That exercises the mind a little bit. But again, even if you can get away from those electronic devices and like I said, read a book. Okay, do a puzzle. Things like that. Last thing I'm going to tell you about is set a sleep pattern. That's important as well. So you should get up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. I know. Everybody likes to sleep in on Saturday and Sunday. It's very, very comfortable to sleep in on Saturday and Sunday. I know, I understand. But setting your sleep schedule and sticking with it 7 days a week is going to be better for you in the long run. All right? And again, get a good night's sleep every night. Try to get at least 8 hours. Try not to stay up late. All right? Staying up late is not good. You're exhausted the next day. You can't function properly, all those kinds of things. So, again, those are some tips to help take care of your body. And again, if you take care of your body, your mind will work better, and you'll function more properly, have more energy, and your life will be all around better. So I hope throughout the series you have found some things, at least a few things, that you can do and help improve your life. Again, little improvements over time add up to a big change, and that's all you can do. Improve a little bit at a time. So thanks for watching.